Alright, so that, you never study with that. Miss, you have a bright sparks around the back. Make it help me, please. I'm asking. You never study with that, Keisha.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Yo, is it? Are you kidding me? Course, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most.
Hi, this is Keisha from Keys All Natural, and today we're at 2 Bronstrap Square, shop number 3 at Shortcut Barber. Today we're going to be asking our barbers how much do they know about hair care. And here we're with Bobby, the top man.
You've come to the right place. All natural. Yeah, I'm hearing about it. What's going on?
I'm good, Bobby.
Nice to have you.
Yes. So Bobby,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you some questions. But before all of that, where can we find Bobby?
We are in Kingston 20 Washington Boulevard, right next to the Ruby's gas station upstairs.
And that's shop number?
Shop number 3.
Okay. And we are here with,
Andre,
and Andre, what's your telephone number?
481-0816.
And we are with,
MR
hi Kemar. Kemar, what's your number?
302-846.
Okay. And Kemar, we have an Instagram page.
I find me on Instagram at kemarcousin@gmail.com.
That's kemarpuzzle@gmail.com. Okay. So we're here with Steve, the surgeon. Am I correct? So Steve, can you give out your phone number so we can know how to contact you?
880-5360.
That's
880-5360.
okay. One number or you have 2?
As well.
Just one. Alright Steve, so we're gonna ask you some questions today. We know you're on the job as usual, but we'd just like to know from your perspective, does male hair grow faster than female hair?
No.
You said female hair grow faster than male.
That's my opinion.
Your opinion?
Experience. I've seen a lot of it.
Okay. Alright.
Well, my experience with hair, I think the speed in which one's hair grow depends on individuals. Yes, you have females that hair grow real fast, females hair grow slow, so it all depends on your genetic makeup, how healthy you are, because health doesn't with your hair. So if you're not eating right, you might have a problem with your hair. You know what I mean? Get the right vitamins. So, also, what you put in your hair is important. You know what I mean? Yeah.
No. They all know the same.
Alright, Kemar, do you feel that men hair grow faster than female hair?
Not necessarily. We are human beings, we as human beings, we grow our hair our hair growth goes differently depending on our genetics.
Tamar, next question. What is male pattern baldness?
With this, you can't answer that. You never studied for that.
No.
Miss, you have a bright sparks around the back. Make him elbow, please. I'm asking. You never studied for that, Keisha. Steve, what is male pattern baldness?
Trey, what is male pattern baldness?
Alopecia. Alopecia. The pattern where the ears grow. In the middle.
Where the hair what?
Grows.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Where the hair grows.
Where the ear loss.
Okay. Hair loss.
Yeah.
Alright.
With the ear of a growing your first foot loss.
Boy, if you don't.
So when the ear grow there, then they get that loss from the spot.
Yeah. Yeah.
That comes out of the
Okay.
Male pattern baldness, as I know, my experience generally refers to where males tend to go bald. A high percentage of men tend to go bald at the top or in the middle of the area. Yeah. So,
Okay.
from my experience, that's why I know where generally you tend to go bald first on the top of the men.
And when you see persons with this, who do you recommend to treat them?
Well, geez, you're in the business of placing blemish in here, right? So yeah, I would recommend them to you. Yeah. Or doctor may, doc may wanna prescribe you something from the pharmacy, Yeah.
So it's not just internal or external. You work on the internal area as well.
Yeah, you can, like I said, vitamins.
Vitamin.
Have a lot to do with it, when you eat and stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
You have food that helps here, definitely. Yeah, here, right?
So like him knowing stuff. So we now wait for him to come here so come trim because your barber not gonna get enough fungus. But as speaking about fungus, what is folliculitis?
Folliculitis. Hold on, let me think. I think that has to do with the hair follicle, yeah? The way it grows. If it has an infection on the tip, sometimes you look at the end of it, you see a white substance. That's general inflammation of the hair, yeah? So I think it's in that ballpark. When you have like and also, it's not just the hair that you can have folliculitis. It can be on the arm, wherever hair grows, on the armpit, the groin area.
What conference again?
Got him! Got him!
Folliculitis.
How can you get folliculitis?
So folliculitis, you can get folliculitis by germs of the tools, samples or shears, razors that you are reusing instead of throwing away, dirty scissors, dirty combs, dirty any one of the tools that you use that you don't sterilize properly.
What can you do to stop folliculitis?
Well, there are numerous amounts of things treating it. then go to a doctor. But everybody has different needs. Still would say potential skill, their growth, and whatever. So you probably need to go to a doctor to see what treatment would serve you. From the tool that you use, you know, sometimes the problem is that when the person has to come up to the shop, it's very glad after the service. Yeah.
And what can you do to prevent folliculitis or to stop it?
Prevention.
What I say, prevention better than?
Sure. That way. I'm going to use sacrificial.
Does male hair grow faster than female hair? No, they do not. It all depends on the genetic of the person or the person, how they eat, how they sleep. If they exercise, their hair will grow faster than the other, and that doesn't mean that that person is a male, and because he's a male, his hair grow longer than the female hair. For me personally, male clients are normally obedient in the terms of combing their hair. They come on time. They don't pull out their hair before they come to me. They normally just come and I do everything. Female like different styles and weaves and braids and all of that. And for that reason, sometimes they don't see their hair grow fast as how you'll see the male hair grow faster than them. What is male pattern baldness? Male pattern baldness can be an autoimmune disorder, and it can also be a genetic disorder. So as long as you know what caused the disorder, you can fix it, or you can reverse the situation. Keys product also helps to increase his hair growth where you have male pattern baldness. What is folliculitis? Folliculitis is a hair fungus that attacks the follicles of the hair. It comes in all places on your hair, your arm, your chin, your head, your chest, whichever area that grows hair, you can get folliculitis. What causes folliculitis is when you don't clean your working tool properly. What can you do to prevent folliculitis? By cleaning up of the hair, proper hygiene, cleaning the shear that you use, or your clipper, your razor, sanitizing things that you use to comb or to cut the hair. That's what you can do to prevent it. Use clean hands and make sure you have a shower in the morning or twice per day. This is Keisha from Keys All Natural, and thanks for watching another hair info.
Talk to me honestly.